What's going on YouTube? I'm Nick the Tutor, and in this video we have another 2-minute challenge. This time I'm going to explain in under 2 minutes how to write the perfect resume. So let's not waste any time. Let's put a timer up on the screen and let's get into it. All right, first thing you need to do is have your contact information clearly stated on the top of your resume. That is one of the worst things you could do, is have a mistake in your contact information. Someone's trying to email you, someone's trying to call you, it's not working, or there's just inconsistencies. That is a must. You must have that clear. The second thing is you should decide whether you're, if you're still a student or you're kind of in a student mindset, you probably want your education first. And if you're going for, a job, employment, then you might want your employment first, but you're probably going to want to include both unless you have 5 to 10 years in your respective field. You want the most recent things you've done first. So you want your college, if you just graduated college, above your high school. You may not even include high school anymore. And if you're in high school, you want to include your information about high school. You wouldn't include anything before that. When it comes to your achievements, you want to keep them short. If you're searching for a job as an adult, you probably don't want to have, high school achievements in there. If you have college achievements that you want to include, that's probably fine if you're in your first few years of your career. When talking about your employment, you want to make sure to have the most recent jobs first, and you want to make sure to have all of your ducks in a row. So you want everything to be accurate. You don't want any discrepancies. You don't want any mistakes. You don't want any typos, right? And you want to sell yourself. This is the area where you sell your skills. You want to really hype up what you've done. You want to be honest about it, but you want to make sure that you state the facts about what you've done in a way that's appealing to someone reading it, and they feel that you can fit into their company, you can fit into their organization, and you can really do a solid job. What you don't want to do is embellish, lie, or just make stuff up. That's never a good idea, and I highly suggest you don't do that. Now, you're probably asking me, Nick, I'm in high school or I just started college. I don't have a lot of experience. Like, what do I do? Well, I would put down the experience that you do have, and I would do my best to explain it in a way that's appealing to employers. Maybe you need to build up your experience more before you go try to work for Google. But look, that's just a fact of life. It takes time, it takes effort, but you want to have consistency, and that is how to do a resume in under 2 minutes. Follow for more and comment down below, what else should I do in 2 minutes? What should I explain? Let's go.